All right, y'all, it's time to put this Wonder Blade to the test against the Milwaukee. These are all for multiple different materials, so we're gonna do a little timed cut through these drywall screws. Ready, go. Thirteen seconds on that one. Okay, we've got the Wonder Blade on here now.
Push it again.
Ready, go. Wow. Dude, that thing cut through it over 10 seconds faster.
Wow.
We got to try some other materials. We'll let you guys know. But this Wonder Blade, wow, I did not expect it to be that much faster.